So at the end of this video, you're going to understand that the only thing you need to succeed in Forex is number one, the knowledge, number two, the knowledge, and then number three, the knowledge, right? What is going on, guys? This is KOJOFOREX, aka GPP Legend, aka Sniper Trader, aka King of Blues, right? I'm here again to show you insane thing that perhaps you've not seen across on the YouTube space, which is growing a very teeny tiny trading account, right? $10, right? Barely, let's say $10 or $16 account, right? In fact, it's a Ghana cedis account, but I converted it into dollars. That's why it was $16. I am currently growing 100 Ghana cedis account, which basically converts into $16 account into $1,000. So is it what 5,000, 6,000 in Ghana cedis? Now it's going to be in episodes, but in day one of that concept, we have been able to make or achieve a 50% growth in our capital, which is literally trading that 100 Ghana cedis and making additional 52 Ghana cedis on it from a single position. Remember, we're still using the same full margin strategy on this, me exposing all my capital on any single trade. So at the end of the day, what it means is that I have to streamline and fish out the best of the best setups and then take them, right? With this account, I'm mainly going to be focusing on gold, right? In the other $150 account, I'm going to be taking several trades, specifically focusing on the three major currencies we talked about, which is the GBP, USD, Euro USD, and USD Swiss franc. If you've not watched that video, you have to go back and watch that video before you can understand what I'm talking about. But yeah, so without wasting much time, let's go into the details of what happened today, right? Let's go into the details of how I grew that account. So yeah, I funded 100 Ghana cedis. Like I said, it transpires into $16 account, right? And then when I woke up this morning, we literally had gold trading around the spot, right? Let me show you quickly where trade. So it was on the 4 hour when I was watching this, and gold was literally trading around here, right? We had just closed this candle right here, and then the new one just opened. So I figured out, well, the momentum has set itself on the upside. Gold is literally pushing up, but it closed with this doji candle out here. But it had potential of, in fact, pushing furthermore, you know. So I was just coming into the market and trying to squeeze these teeny tiny pips out here. But remember that when we talk about teeny tiny on gold, it's not really teeny tiny, right? So if you measure the pip from here to here, that's just about 35 pips, right? Now 35 pips full margin on gold would have literally flipped that account, right, which is like 100 Ghana to 200 Ghana. But I'll tell you what happened, right? So you can see here, I put on 0.01, 0.01, 0.01. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions on 0.01, and that was full margin. It said no money, so I cannot keep up trading this. I cannot keep up loading lot sizes on this. So I'm like, okay, yeah, I might as well just watch this position, keep going. Now the risk here is that if gold had went into a little bit of drawdown, right, I could have just said bye-bye to this account, which is like the number one rule we set out in this full margin or small account growth episode. I told you guys that I'm not going to be that hypocritical kind of a person telling you, oh, we can grow $100 to a $10,000 using proper risk management. It's not going to take us anywhere. We're not going to even achieve that in the first place. If you want to do that, let's face reality. You got to expose yourself to the market. You're going to go all out, take the risk, flip account, and then you can achieve that. And then we just started that, right? I saw this very early in the morning when I woke up, and I'm like, yeah, this looks sumptuous. I might as well just jump in and then make some backside of it. So I jumped in, and then you can see we started running 23 Ghana cedis, and then let's see what happened. So it kept floating. 23 is a real account, you can see there. So the profit just kept floating up and down like that. You can see the entry just like where I took those trades, right? And then it's just same here. So I took the entry here, and then the first candle that you can see was the one that just literally kept floating, this particular one. So all I did was trade only this candle, right? I didn't trade past this candle though. It was only this candle, right? But what made me the money was not exactly the full candle there. What made me the money was just staying in this position a few pips into the candle, and I'll explain to you why I stayed into the position just a few. I think halfway through the candle, just somewhere here, was what made me that 52 Ghana cedis. If you can see here, right, continuing this video, we had about 43 Ghana cedis, right? Now with this 43, let me tell you what happened. I had 43 Ghana cedis, and I put my phone down, slept a little bit, came back to check briefly what was going on, and then this 43 was now at -3 Ghana cedis. Then I thought to myself, I literally saw 43 Ghana cedis. That's like 40% of my account growth in a few minutes. And then literally back to zero. But this is just a teeny tiny account, 100 Ghana cedis account. It can literally be lost. But what's the essence of this? We're trying to what? Grow it gradually, make appreciable gains in it, and then showing the fact that what you can literally make money from the forex market regardless of any account size. So I might as well just book the next profit that comes on the way on this market. So I put the phone down a little bit, watched the market, slept, turned down, and then I saw the market now running our account into 50 Ghana cedis plus. And I'm like, this is it. At this point in my first trade, not really holding the trade for so long, even though when I hold it, I potentially know that I can smash TPs and then make that flip account to whatever it is, right? I'm like, I might as well just book my first profit. I might as well just book that 50 Ghana cedis, secure the bag, right? 50 Ghana cedis is 50%, right? Remember from the previous video that I told you that even though you're growing a small account, one of the way you got to think is what? Think big or think rich, whatever it is, but act broke. You just put on 100 Ghana cedis on this freaking market. Within 5 minutes or less, you made half of that. Whatever the hassle it was that you had that money, chances are you didn't make that money in 5 minutes. You may have just begged your uncle for so long, or your friend gave it to you, you borrowed money, whatever it is, you struggled literally a little while to get that 100 Ghana cedis. But the market just gave you that profit in 5 minutes or less, right? Half of that in 5 minutes or less, right? You got to act broke. How do you act broke? Secure the bag for now. If you go in subsequently and then you increase that bag, so be it. But first, get your feet on a solid ground. And then getting your feet on a solid ground is having that peace of mind to think that I have secured the bag, I have made 50% gain. In fact, it gives you more courage, more enthusiasm to look for subsequent setups and then to grow the account. I shared this screenshot when it was at 40 Ghana cedis to Rick. I'm like, Rick, I'm trying to flip this account in one trade. Let's see it hit 100 Ghana cedis. The next minute, 52 Ghana cedis, I sent him the screenshot. Bro, I just booked my profit. And no way I'm holding this to hit 100 Ghana cedis. But that's from like the real logic that I'm applying to you here, right? Literally booking that profit and then having the comfort and then, peace of mind. You got to always be in a right state of mind before you can do this, right? Yeah, look at what happened eventually, though, right? Look at what happened eventually. Blew up and then came back down. But you see, from our entry point, there wasn't any drawdown that could have blown that account anyway, right? There wasn't any drawdown, right? If you watch from here, there wasn't any drawdown that could have, because our entry was right here, and then from there, all that happened was the market just blowing up, right? But is it guaranteed anyway? First question you must ask yourself, that is it guaranteed? Is it guaranteed that the market should have gone there? It's not guaranteed anyway, right? I might as well just be watching the market with this bullish candle now closing this bearish candle here, and then that's just going to be like a panic attack on you, thinking that you are trying to flip this 100 Ghana cedis into 300 or something in a day. You saw a 50 and then it's back to zero. So securing the bag was very important. But this is a challenge where we're taking that 100 Ghana cedis, which is basically $16 to $1,000, right? This is episode 1. Which watch out for episode 2, 3, 4, 5 till we hit that target. But I'm going to be focusing on just gold for this now, right? I'm going to be taking gold scalps for this setup. So I hope you guys understand the concept in which I used to find that entry was basically me looking out and spotting that bullish move and then catching that continuation, but at the right time, which is what that closure of the candle and waiting for a new opening and then anticipating that we could still push a further up. Full margin, exposing everything I had in the account onto the market and then literally scalping about 15-20 pips to make this box, right? So I hope this one is the first episode that teaches you what we are doing, the journey we're on, and then it inspires you to think into how you can grow your small account, be it 100 Ghana, 200 or $10 or $15, right? If you love this video, you know what to do. Smash the like button, share with your friends, right, who are also trying to grow their small account. Follow me on all social media, KOJOFOREX, if you haven't done that already. And clicking the link in the description to join the KOJOFOREX Telegram community. Smash the like button, it goes a long way to help this video. And without wasting much time, I'll see you guys in my next insane content. Peace out, guys.